Welcome to Lana's Homestead and my one-year permaculture garden. I've taken it from grass to sheet mulch to thriving food forest.
Hello and welcome to the homestead. Today I'm making an herb spiral in the middle of my keyhole garden. So the herb spiral is permaculture design, provides water efficiency, space saving, and productive microclimates for your herbs. It utilizes different heights to create microclimates that your plants thrive in. Each location provides different amounts of sun, water, and shade to help your plants be really productive in a small space. But I stepped through the process of creating this herb spiral. Right now I just kind of have some unwanted sod that I had moved from other places in my garden. So the middle height of the herb spiral can be as large as 3 feet deep. So I didn't want to fill all that in with nice compost because this bottom stuff isn't going to be as important. I just want to maybe top it with some nice compost. So I'm just piling up the sod right now to kind of be the foundation of the spiral. And then I use these logs to just kind of, create the space for it. But I believe I'm going to take the logs out of here and just use these. They're like paving stones that I got for free on Craigslist. Somebody was getting rid of them. So I have a lot of these, and I'm going to use that to try to just make the structure of the herb spiral. So this direction is south, and that direction is north, and so that's important for the structure of it and where you put your plants. You want to make sure that you have them in the right direction. is my plan for my spiral and where I'm going to plant the herbs. The location of the herbs matter, so if you want to address the microclimates and use them to your advantage, you need a little plan here. So I'm ready to plant some cilantro and some dill. So neither of those want to have too much sun, and they don't mind the cooler weather. So I'm going to put those kind of on the north side up here, and then things like basil and rosemary and thyme, those like a lot of heat and they like to dry out. So that's why this top section is really good for those plants, because they're going to get a lot of sun, all day sun, and then it's going to dry out up here getting so much sun, versus these ones back here on the north side, they're not going to get sun all day and they're going to be shaded by the other plants later on in the season. Spiral is finished. I've got my cilantro and my dill in. So come May 15th, which is my average last frost date, I'll add in the basil and the thyme and oregano up here in this top section. They like to be dry and be hot, and this will get the most sun up here. And then it'll kind of shade out these guys in the north side that don't want a lot of sun. On my west side, I'll add in some parsley. It likes just a little bit of warm morning sun, but not too much sun in the afternoon, so it'll be kind of more protected on the east side. And then over here on the west side, I'll probably add some sage and some nasturtium, which is an edible flower. And you could always just add in a sprinkle of pretty little flowers. I might add some yarrow on the top, or maybe some strawberries, but you got to be careful because those can get really invasive and could take over your spiral. But if you maintain it, then you could get a pretty little blooming flowers of strawberry and some delicious strawberries. So I hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.